The single best method to improve your internet speed and lower your ping is to buy an Ethernet cable. Just go on Amazon or eBay and just type in Ethernet cable and just get a long enough one for your house that will connect from your router to your computer. But if you can't do that, let's get into the video. So for the first method, we're going to head over to search and we're going to type in view network connections. Click on it. Once you're on it, it will either say Ethernet or Wi-Fi for you. Whichever one it says, we're going to right click on it. We're going to head over to properties. Then we're going to click on Internet Protocol version 4. And then make sure that use the following DNS server address is ticked. So we're going to use a Google DNS server, which could boost up your internet speed and lower your ping. So we're going to remove all of this, and we're going to make the first line 8 space 8 space 8 space 8. Then for the second line 8844. You can also try these other ones which will be on screen right now. Try all of them, see how it works for you. For the second method, we're going to head over to search and type in edit power plan. Click on it. Once we're on it, we're going to head over to change advanced power settings. And then we're going to expand wireless adapter settings. Then we're going to expand power saving mode, and you want to make sure that this is on maximum performance. This method is for wireless adapters. Now we're going to be doing it for Ethernet adapters. Head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. Once you're on it, we're going to expand network adapters, and then we're going to find our adapter. So this is my one, Realtek PCIe. We're going to right click on it. We're going to head over to properties. Then we're going to head over to power management, and we're going to untick these two. Then we're going to click on OK. You could also do this for a wireless Wi-Fi adapter. It will just be a different name. Just do the exact same method as I showed you right now. For the next method, we're going to head over to search and we're going to type in allow downloads from other PCs and then click on it. And then we're going to turn this off. Next, we're going to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. Then we're going to expand network adapters and then we're going to find our Ethernet adapter or our wireless adapter. So for me it says Realtek PCIe. I'm going to right click on it, head over to properties, and then head over to driver, and then click on update driver. See if you have any updates. Click on search automatically for drivers. If it says this, then there still may be a chance you haven't got the latest drivers for it. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy the name Realtek PCIe into Google, and we're going to head over to the first website. Then we're going to scroll down until we find Windows 11 installation or Windows 10 installation, and then we're just going to install it. And then download it. So I'm going to do the capture verification. The download will then start. The folder needs to be extracted, so I'm going to right click on my desktop, click on new, head over to folder, and then I'm going to right click and hold the zip file and I'm going to paste it into the new folder and then click on extract. And then click on extract again. Once you've done that, you have it right here, and then you can just follow all the steps and you can install it.